Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I make a customized looking manicure using Kiss press-on nails and Impress press-on nails. I'm going to combine two sets for a fully customized and unique Christmas look. Thanks so much for visiting my channel and watching my videos. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much.
My kitty cat is sitting here. Here he is. And I have to get him off the table because I'm going to be using some super glue and nail polish remover, and it's not really safe for him. So let me go put him away. I will be right back here. Look at my pineapple. First step is you go through the nails that you're going to use. Pick them out, lay them out on the table, and size them and lay them out how you're going to have them on your fingers. What I do, and it really works well, is I take some acetone. Has to be acetone nail polish remover. This is my first step, and a Q-tip. Put a little in the lid. Don't spill it on your nails because it will mess up the finish. And I go over each fingernail just to get all the oils off. What you really need for these nails to stay on and really adhere is a clean, oil-free, dry nail bed. Let's move on to getting the nails on. If you use the Gorilla Glue, they're not going to pop off tomorrow morning when you're getting dressed. This nail glue is less severe and less strong. If you don't really want to commit to knowing you're going to have these nails on for a good long week, use this because this is easier to kind of get underneath them with the orange stick and kind of work at it and pick them off. I'm going to go with this because I'm keeping these puppies on, and I'm going to be making cookies and wrapping presents, and so there's that. I chose these for my pinkies because they're super cute. So what you do with these, if you can see it, what you do with these is this little tab at the bottom. That's the bottom of the nail. You're going to just grab it, peel it off. See that? Those plastic things stick everywhere. And position it. I want to make sure you can see what I'm doing. And now press it down. So I mentioned that I've got a secret weapon with these. I mean, come on, that took 2 seconds. Look how cute that is. My secret weapon is a chip clip. Put it on. It doesn't hurt, just put it on for a second. But doesn't that hurt? Oh, it doesn't. Can you see it? So this is going to be my ring finger. This is pulling from a different set. This is one of the Impress nails, and these do not have adhesive on the back. They're just the nail. It's these. So for this one, I am going to use the glue. And like I said, I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue because I don't want to be like, making dinner and they fly off. Oh, this always makes me nervous. So that's a big blob of glue. Hold on. Okay, so can you see it? I'm going to put just a drop on. Because when I stick this nail on, it's going to squeeze out. I'm going to let it just set up for a minute. If you look at the back of the nail, I don't know if you can see it. There's a number on the tip. You can't see it. It's right up here. This is a number 6. My ring finger in these nails is always a number 6. So once you get your numbers down and you know what your numbers are, just write it in a little notebook or on your phone or whatever. And it doesn't take as long to pick out your nails because you know what size it is. So I got a little too much glue on here. I'm letting this just oxidize a little and spread it in and out. Okay, moment of truth. Make sure the number is at the top and slide it on. So it's on. Now here's my secret weapon. I'm going to put this on, and this is going to apply pressure to the glue and the nail. It'll help it form to the shape of my fingernail. So on to this nail. Again, this is a size 4. I'm gonna make sure it's fitting. And get my Gorilla Glue out. Just a drop. Look at that. That's like awesome. Let me stick this on here. I mean, that's really cute, right? So I've got those 3 on. I'm gonna move to my pointer finger, and this is all pretty much the same. Now, a lot of people, I didn't mention this, say you have to rough up your nail. Rough up your nail, it makes the glue stick, but I haven't found that it makes any difference. They come with these little files. What you do have to do is sometimes at the tops of the fake nails, there's like a tab, like a little bump from when they were made. I've already taken mine off, I've already filed them. But be careful, if you're filing a heavily painted nail like these, it's gonna show white. And I'll live with the tab over the messed up polish. These go on easy. Like if you have to go to a party and you're in the car and you don't have your nails done, grab a pack of these. You can literally put them on in the car if someone else is driving, or in the cab or Uber or whatever. I mean, that's it, it's on. See that tab at the top? That's what I was talking about. Can you see that little dot? Just take the file and this finger. This one's cute, the snowflake one. Now this is perfect. Look at that. You can't tell. You can sort of nestle it under there, the leading edge. It makes it look more real. All right, they're on. I think they came out really good. Thank you for hanging out while I do my nails. There's always something going on around here. And that's it. So thanks for watching.